All right, hello everyone. I am currently in the Antara Hotel, which is located in Miraflores, Lima, Peru. And this will be the hotel room tour. So I'm currently on the 4th floor. It's quite a lovely hotel. I'll provide more videos later, but I'm in this room here, 405. This is the room. My own TV. Fridge. With snacks. I'm pretty much guessing that if I take any of those, it's going to be an excessive amount of money to pay. So I think I'll leave those alone. Bed. And this is the bathroom. There's the sink. All the supplies that are required. Offered. Hair dryer. Soaps. And in here is the room safe. Sure what that is. Oh, it's a fuse box. Okay. More storage. And here's over to the bathroom. It's even a jacuzzi bathtub. Table, this is the room service menus. And here's the window. Don't really have a balcony. Well, I don't have a balcony, but this is my view. All right, and that is the room tour of the Antara Hotel in Miraflores, Lima, Peru. I will be staying at more hotels during my travels, so be sure to look out and watch out for more hotel room tours on the Vacation Impossible YouTube channel. Hello everyone, so I am back at the Antara Hotel, which is in Lima, Peru, and this is the hotel room tour. I'm in 509 on the 5th floor. All right, so we'll start with the bathroom. Soaps. And towel. Hair dryer. I believe this is where the safe, there's a closet with a safe. Lots of closet space. Guessing that's the fuse box. Closet space. And into the bathroom. Jacuzzi tub apparently. Phone in case you need to call someone. Towels. And down here, more space. Oh, okay. And here are all the goodies. They'll obviously charge you if you take any. There is a price list here. It gives the price of all the drinks and snacks that are available. And they check that daily. This is the list here, just to give you an idea. In case we want room service, here's the room service. And we have the TV. Nice little sitting area with our phone. Need to make any calls. It's the phone list. Fireplace apparently. My luck, if I turn that on, I'll set the whole place on fire. Nice little table, couch. And here's my view. It's not spectacular, but I won't be in the room much, so. All right, and there you have it. That is the one of the rooms for the Antara Hotel. Nice and spacious. And there you have it. Until next time, until the next video, welcome to Lima, Peru.